Hello everybody, welcome back to another Fantasy Wax Melts new releases video. Yes, this is going to just be a hands video. I am on day 2 of what I believe to be a sinus infection, so I'm just not feeling super great, not wanting to wear makeup and sit down for you guys, but all of this information is obviously still the same, and I hope to be able to film another new release video face-to-face in the future, but for now, this is just what we're doing. So today is March 3rd, Friday, March 3rd, and we have our Wednesday themed release day at 3 p.m. Central Time, and I am beyond excited. For one, it is all mini chunk bags, which I think is really fun and exciting, and I have 12 scents here that I am just completely excited about. I love all of these scents, obviously. I love the Wednesday show. I was just entranced. I had to do a collection. So, like I said, this will all be live today at 3 p.m. Central Time in our Etsy shop, which will be linked down below, as well as our Instagram and our Facebook group. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, these are all in the mini chunk bag shape. So up first we have Wednesday, which Wednesday, she's a dark girl. So we had to do, you know, gray and dark gray because those are her favorite colors. So for this scent, we did blackberry, sugar cookie, and sweet bakery dough. This blackberry is more of a fruity what am I trying to say? This is more of a fruity blackberry, not blackberry jam butter cookies, which is something that will be featured in one of the next scents, but this is more of a fruity blackberry, so that mixed with the sugar cookie and the sweet bakery dough, I feel like really enhances it. It makes it really sweet and delicious. Like I said, this is like a really good fruity scent. If you've never smelled blackberry, just on its own, I definitely think you'll really enjoy this. It's just, I don't know, I really like it a lot, and I felt like it just went with the theme. So that is Wednesday. Speaking of blackberry jam butter cookies, we have Nevermore, which I did as the Nevermore colors, which were purple and black. This is our blend of tea and cakes, waffle cone, and blackberry jam butter cookies, like I said. So I feel like tea and cakes and blackberry jam butter cookies blend so beautifully together. I think it really creates just like an amplified version of both of those scents, mixed with a little bit of waffle cone, which kind of tones it down, adds a really nice background note. Oh, that is fantastic. That is just so good. Very, very different from this one. This leans a little bit more fruity. This one is also fruity, but it has that really great tea and cakes note as well. So that is Nevermore. Then we have Thing, which this is gonna sound very bizarre and weird, but I have to share it. I was trying to kind of do like skin colors because he's a hand, but it kind of looks more fall, which you know what, I'm okay with. So it's like a nice dark peach and a dark burgundy, and I kind of like it because the scent notes are a little fall. So it is apple cinnamon, cinnamon sugar donut, and zucchini bread. So apple cinnamon and cinnamon sugar donut, I feel like together create such a super powerful cinnamony scent. And then you have that zucchini bread in there, which really kind of, again, acts as a really nice base note. So this is fantastic. I love this so much. I could smell this all day. I think apple cinnamon, cinnamon sugar donut just together are so good. They help each other out. Again, like the tea and cakes and the blackberry jam butter cookies, they just amplify each other. So I absolutely adore Thing. Next up we have the Weather Vane, which is the little coffee shop that they go to. So I tried to make this more like kind of coffee colors. So this is salted caramel, toasted mallow, and espresso. I wanted this to smell sort of like a coffee shop without being reminiscent of our core scent, which is called Coffee Shop, which smells like coffee and baked pastries. I wanted to add a little extra to this. So salted caramel, again, toasted mallow, and espresso. This is amazing. We did a scent very similar to this in our Stranger Things collection. It was the Hawkins scent, I believe. But this is so good. I think the toasted mallow also adds a really great note as well to this. I'm obsessed with that. Next is one that I just, I mean, I love all of these, but this one, when I made this, I was just dying because it smells so good. This is Hummer Stick Together, which is like the beekeeping group. This is honey buttered rolls, cornbread, and French baguette. Initially, I was just gonna do honey buttered rolls and cornbread, but the addition of the French baguette is just so chef's kiss, so top tier. This is like the bready scent of my dreams. I did it as yellow and black because, you know, bees. This is amazing. This is amazing. First and foremost, I get that French baguette, and then I get a little bit of that cornbread. The honey buttered rolls, oh my gosh, it like oozes in and out. It's fantastic. I love this one so much. If you love bready scents, you are absolutely gonna adore that one. Next up, we have Crackstone's Crypt. I can't get over his name. His name is Crackstone. That's so bizarre to me. Because it's Crackstone's Crypt, I wanted to do kind of like I don't know, the colors of what you would assume like a cemetery would be, so just gray and white, just the headstones. So for this one, okay, this one is really important to me. So the scent notes for this one are lavender, vanilla, sugar cookie, and mallow fluff. And this is important to me because I initially smelled lavender vanilla, the fragrance oil, by itself, and I said, no way, no how, I just don't love this. I do not want to put this in my shop. But then I've been seeing people mixing it with bakery, like mixing floral with bakery, and I'm like, I want to give that a try since I mixed some Palo Santo with bakery and I really enjoyed that. So lavender vanilla mixed with sugar cookie and mallow fluff, I love this. This is so, it's amplified, it's incredible. You could smell the lavender vanilla, but the bakery notes help this out so much, and I think it just makes it such a like unique scent, and I just really enjoy this. So if you don't like floral, I definitely recommend giving this a try because the bakery notes really help this one out and make it just so good. So next 6, oh my goodness. Next up we have the Hide. I tried to do the colors to match, you know, every single thing. So I did like an orange and a gray for the Hide. This is green apple, which we've never done green apple before, and I'm very excited. This is green apple, brown sugar, and pretzel. Y'all loved all the pretzel blends last release, so I'm like, oh, I have to keep doing pretzel. It's so good. But green apple and brown sugar mixed with that makes such a good scent. I feel like it almost, to me, smells like almost like a apple cobbler, kind of, like with a green apple and like a little hint of like pretzel salt. I don't know. It's very good, and I really quite like that. Again, I do love the green apple scent note, and I'm really happy to have found one that I like. I've gone through a couple different samples that I didn't like, and I feel like this one is fantastic. So I really love that one. I'll kind of do this. Maybe, well, should we just separate them out? Might as well. Next up we have Wolf Out, which is an ode to Enid, so I wanted to make it kind of cute and pastel and girly, so it's light pink and light purple. This is strawberry pound cake and cinnamon rolls. This is so good. I'm a big fan of our cinnamon roll fragrance oil mixed with strawberry pound cake. I just think it's so good. Oh, I just love it so much. So that is Wolf Out. Next up we have Weems, which I kind of wanted to do because her hair is like white and then she has red lipstick, so I was like, oh, I just love this color combo, plus it kind of gives me some like Valentine's Day vibes. This is blueberry, flapjacks, and maple buttercream. I kind of wanted to do, it's so funny, one of the ones is like Hawkins. This one kind of reminds me of the 11 scent. This is so good. I think blueberry flapjacks is amazing on its own, like mixed together, like those two, but adding in that maple buttercream, it smells like breakfast. It smells so good. Brian was telling me as I was making this one, he was like, it literally smells like you're making blueberry Eggo waffles. It smells so good. So I love that one. Next up we have Raven, which I did as all white because the Raven was all white themed. This is Cafe Vienna, French baguette, and butterscotch. We have not done a butterscotch scent since one of our first collections. We did it, I think, in our up collection was butterscotch. And I had that fragrance oil and I'm like, I kind of want to use it. So I felt like with Cafe Vienna and French Baguette, it would be amazing. And I was right, if I do say so myself. Oh, this is so good. I love this so much. This is amazing. So this is Raven. I guess we have to keep moving. Our last two. Next up we have the Po Cup, which I did is sort of like a light brown and like a light green, kind of like murky water-esque. Although the scent notes of this are fantastic. This is a blend of Salty Sea Air and Summer Scoop. Summer Scoop type is strawberry ice cream. And I was a little hesitant. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna really like this. Mixed together, it might be kind of weird. And then I tried it and I was like, whoa, this is like actually amazing. Oh, it's so good. So first you get that Salty Sea Air, but then you get that like light hint of that summer, like that ice cream. It's just so good. I love this one so much. I mean, to be fair, I love all of them. So that's Po Cup. And then the last but not least, we have Pilgrim World, which I did as the colors of the sign, which were light yellow and light blue. This is a mixture of bear claws and pumpkin pecan waffles. This, like initially before I made all of these, I was like, oh, this one's gonna be my favorite. Which, to be fair, it is very good. Oh, I love those two so much. But honestly, I don't know if I can pick a favorite. I don't know. I really like Hummer Stick Together. I like Po Cup. I like them all. I mean, honestly, I like them all. But this one, fantastic. Bear Claws, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, Pilgrim World, amazing. So this is our full Wednesday release. Like I said, it will be live today at 3 p.m. Central Time. All mini chunk bags. I know that's been requested a lot, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try because I know I can make quite a few of these. I'm just so excited for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to join our Facebook group, follow us on Instagram, and check out our Etsy shop link down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.